Hey everyone, and welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're preparing for a technical drawing exam using AutoCAD, or maybe you just use AutoCAD for your job on a daily basis, in this video we'll be looking at 7 essential tips to help you master AutoCAD and save time. I don't want you to miss anything, so make sure you watch it till the end. Tip number 1. Master your commands and shortcuts. Speed is the biggest factor in AutoCAD exams, or technical drawing exams, or any exam. Shaving seconds off every command execution can give you an extra 15 to 20 minutes at the end of the exam for checking your work. So, use your shortcuts. Number 2, use and manage your layers well. This ensures visual clarity while you work and prevents line work contamination. It also makes it much easier to toggle visibility when the drawing becomes complex, and it just gives you a peace of mind. So use your layers. Tip number 3, use object snap strategically. Endpoint, midpoint, and center are good, but turn off those like nearest and polar when not needed. Why? Precision is the technical part of technical drawing. A unit error in a snap can lead to compounding errors in dimensions and hatch later on, and we definitely don't want that. So be wise and choose your object snaps strategically. Tip number 4. Draw at scale 1:1 in model space and do the scaling in the layout/paper space/viewports. AutoCAD is designed to calculate dimensions automatically, based on geometry. Drawing to scale in model space ensures that your measurement tools and annotations remain accurate with no calculations necessary. Tip 5. Use block if the exam requires multiple instances of a specific component like a bolt or a chair. Why? Because it saves a ton of time, and if you realize that you made a mistake in whatever drawing or component, you only have to edit the block definition once to update every instance in the drawing. So save time, be wise, and use the block. Tip 6. Verify dimensions frequently. Don't wait until the end to add dimensions. Use the DIST command to check your geometry against the exam paper, because it is much easier to fix a mistake earlier, much easier and better to fix a mistake earlier in your drawing than it is to remove several layers or lines to make amends and fix it. Tip 7. Save your progress. AutoCAD has an autosave feature that periodically saves work, but you should do it as well. Software crashes or hardware freezes are rare but catastrophic during exams. Manual saving ensures you never lose more than a few minutes of work, and it gives you that peace of mind. And that's it. This brings us to the end of our video. I trust that you would have learned from the 7 tips. And not only that, but I trust that you will implement it in your drawings or your workflow. All the best in the upcoming exams, and feel free to ask any questions or leave a comment below stating which tip is your favorite.